Do you realize how stressful it is to show up at the 1,000 Trails at exactly noon? It's very difficult.
We brought up, we're going to the Orlando 1,000 Trails, and they're like, well, it's called the TTO. And I was like, whoa. We're going to find someplace I can fake like a trailer injury. Was that guy going to take it?
You're not allowed to hang your lingerie or undergarments outside.
First world RV problems.
Yeah.
And we lost power. There's no power in the RV park. Turn that thing on, got the ACs running, and it's dropping down pretty good. But if we didn't have the soft starts, there's no way we could even do this. Say goodbye to the spirit of Suwannee, Susanna.
Goodbye.
Where are we going today?
Orlando, TTO.
TTO.
Little TTO?
Yeah, I was thinking that this morning. Little TTO, which is not little, it's huge.
Yeah.
And I think isn't it the number 1,000 Trails park?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
It may be because it's got 5 stars in like everything that you look at reviews. Everybody goes there because it's Orlando, and it's packed all the time. So
very, very strict, we've heard. I mean, he got a phone call yesterday from them giving him check-in instructions, and I don't know how many times she said, you cannot check in before 12.
Yeah, so all those other 1,000 Trails shenanigans that happen, like people showing up at 9 o'clock in the morning, finding a spot and just calling it a day, that doesn't happen there. And then you will leave at 11 o'clock, or you will incur a $32 late fee for leaving
every hour after the hour.
Yeah,
like that.
I'm like, okay, look, we're gonna be there afternoon, and we'll leave before 11. Again, it's supposed to be like really, really nice. We've got there's some folks that are there right now, and they'd love it. Bright Dais Ahead, excuse me.
Yeah, we've got like 21 days, and then we have a week at Sherwood Forest, and then we're going back for another 7 days.
Yeah, so we're going to be around Orlando a lot. We've got
5 weeks.
We've got multiple, or a couple thousand trails. We've got a couple harvest hosts. We're going to swim with some manatees. I keep thinking about the manatees.
Oh, I was like, that's not in Orlando. That's our next destination.
Right, that's in that area.
Orlando is we're excited because the kids are coming for Disney.
Yes.
And Epcot and Disney. And Disney.
Disney.
Yeah. Medieval times and the Space Center.
But it was you couldn't get like a back-to-back 21 days because we were so booked. So we had to find some other things. So we're leaving and stretching out. We're going to the Kennedy Space Center.
Yeah, I just said that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
I just
totally.
heard Disney, and Epcot. But that's where we're headed today. So we've got like a 3.5 hour drive.
3.5 hours.
Which would make it absolutely perfect because you can't be there before noon.
How stressful it is to show up at the 1,000 Trails at exactly noon? It's very difficult. We stopped for like 25 minutes at a rest area, and we're still going to show up at 11:45.
Now, but I'm just going to say here in my defense, I was like, I thought we were just going to sit here. She goes, no, we need to leave like within the minute.
But we were sitting there
within the minute before, so I said, okay, well, I guess we got to go, and then we left, and now we had like 10 more minutes. We could have.
Well, we didn't know that because we were driving, and when we were sitting there, it said we would arrive at 11:55. But as soon as we started moving, she changed it.
Yeah, was there a gas station or something along the way that we could just like pull in?
I don't know. Yeah, there is a Walmart down the street. You can circle the block and hang out at the Walmart until it gets to be time.
I wonder how many people are circling the block like sharks, just waiting to get into the 1,000 Trails, the TTO. That's how it's pretty sophisticated. We brought up, we're going to the Orlando 1,000 Trails, and they're like, whoa, it's called the TTO. And I was like, whoa. Hold on. So it's 11:29.
We still have 6 minutes.
We have 6 minutes.
We're going to arrive 24 minutes too early.
So we have to find the Walmart.
Well, I'm not sure about the Walmart, but
Okay.
I was waiting for a light so I could show you the parking lot because
Oh, it doesn't look good.
she said it was tight.
It's toy.
It's tight like a tiger.
We have to find someplace I can fake like a trailer injury.
The Walmart and stuff is on the left in a little bit.
Awesome.
So
Check trailer brake rally.
Billy. Tandy, did you just fake it? No, don't go over.
No, I'm gonna fake an injury. I can't get over.
It's okay. I mean,
Yep, I said fake an injury, and Tandy's like, "Oh, I got you covered." Well, we got in.
yeah, I mean, there's room at the end, so
Oh, I see other RVs and a big truck down there.
yeah,
That's
we just
a
have to
good
get
sign.
down there.
We just have to get over there. I just joked about faking an RV injury, and then all of a sudden we got an alert to check the brake lights and the turn signals. So I don't know if our light plug like slid out a little bit. It's happened before, but it happened last time when there was like a ton of rain.
It's probably just Tandy knew we were early.
Tandy knew. She's trying to help.
Yeah.
So Tandy's little thing, I think the plug is just for the left turn signal. Like maybe it wasn't connected, so I did the old 1990s Nintendo thing. I went, and it's working. So it's 11:57. We have how many minutes?
4.
4 minutes. We saw someone else pull out. So you see there's other RVs doing, I don't know, the TTO boogie. I don't know. The shuffle.
Oh, we're on camera.
We are on camera.
Why don't you ever say anything?
I pushed the button and you looked at me. I thought that was your cue.
I didn't know you pushed the button. I'm getting directions so we don't go past the turn.
Were you making faces at me?
No?
That's good because that would be rude.
Yeah.
Look at that. Exactly. It's exactly 12 o'clock.
It's 12:02. Mando's slow.
Oh, Mando's slow. And those folks in front of us, we saw 2 fifth wheels. They pulled in. This is exciting. Oh, look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people in front of us. I think it's because everybody like built up. TTO, TTO, TTO. So you get like that stress excitement
Yeah.
about someplace. Hi. Good. We already did an online check-in.
Okay, that, when you get up there, have your photo ID. They'll give you another. They
Okay.
tell you to print that, but you really don't have.
Okay.
Have you been here before?
No.
This section here you cannot park in. Everything else is first come, first serve, as
Okay.
long as it's not marked personal, private, annual, or seasonal. So whenever you find your site, like I said, call in the office, pay attention to the street name, site number, call the office with that. If they don't answer, feel free to leave a voicemail.
Okay.
This is our new section. That's 2 cement pads.
Okay.
They don't want anything on the grass.
Found something in the Elite. So Susanna's gonna hop out and run over there. Oh, I thought that truck was gonna take it. She is. She's a good girl. She's gonna go take that spot. I'm gonna drive around. I'm stressed. Was that guy gonna take it?
No, he said there's one right here.
Oh.
Okay.
It is hot, but guess what? We made it.
We made it to the TTO.
She's suffering from a soon-to-be migraine again.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
All right, so it's hot. It's only 82, so we're just not used to that. But it's like beautiful weather. It's sunny, and we made like 2 turns in, and we found a spot.
Yep.
And it's a nice spot in the new area. So it's
It's elite.
It is elite. It's got double concrete. They said don't put anything on the grass, but it's not quite big enough to keep everything off the grass. But it is nice.
The only downfall I see is that the nearest laundry room is in another section because they're still working on it.
These
It's
are
so
like
new.
first world RV problems.
Yeah.
So we're going through all the rules. There's a lot of rules here, but it's like if your kid's under 17, under 14, they can't be out there by themselves. They can't go ride a bike by themselves. They'd be with themselves. Susanna may have found the best rule though.
You're not allowed to hang your lingerie or undergarments outside.
Which sucks for me because
Even if you have a line attached to your RV, you're not allowed to hang your drawers outside.
I prefer my drawers to have that natural airy feel and
The outdoorsy.
yeah, the
scent.
outdoorsy smell, right? So now we're just gonna have to dry my drawers.
Yep.
Thanks, TTO. We're on our first like real day in the area, and we're like, oh, we're gonna get some work done today, get a couple things out of the way.
Because like next week, the rest of this week and next week are our last real, big weeks that we can get some work done before our Disney, excursion.
Yeah. And we lost power. There's no power in the RV park. It's supposed to be 86 today. So we're gonna leave, and Susanna she found one place and it's like, hey, it's free for military. I'm like, oh, that's amazing. And I was like, well, what else is free for military? And so we are gonna go down to Disney Springs, which is like the shopping, food. I'm going left. Oh, that's right, you wanted me to take the trash. I'm gonna take the long way and sneak up on the trash. See, I got talking, I forgot where we're going.
And the mail.
Yes, it's all in the same spot. Whoa. Anyway, we're gonna take you down to Disney Springs and show you around Disney Springs. Maybe get some lunch, and hopefully while we're gone, they get the
power
back on.
Hello,
Hi.
it's me, Susanna from Hinton the Trail. How are you? We just did photos with Santa, and they gave us a little pass that we can use to store our photos, and then we can go online to either the Disney mobile app or go online to disneyworld.com, and we can download and pay for whatever pictures we want.
We just use this card our whole trip here.
Use the card the whole trip.
We'll figure out which ones we want at the end. I like that.
Very cool.
Scale looks awesome.
I don't know, man. I like the tauntauns. That thing is amazing. How much is it?
Maybe I can find
$75.
Yep.
I moved my rope to the left because I don't know what
Kids picking up chess. So we've been gone for about 8 hours, and they're still working on the power issue. It is just the RV park. They had to dig up a trench, rerun a new line. So we have the SoftStartRV on both of our AC units, and we have a Champion dual fuel 3400 generator. And we came back, it was, what was it in here, 84? It was 84 inside. Turned that thing on, got the ACs running, and it's dropping down pretty good. But if we didn't have the soft starts, there's no way we could even do this. So we're gonna get it cooled down a little bit, and then hopefully it's gonna be fixed soon. The guys, I stopped by the trench and gave them some Gatorades, and they said we should be done soon. So fingers crossed it's soon. And everybody get cooled down. There's people all over the park just sitting outside, just like kind of. But I guess it's nice because it was only 80. Let's say it up to 86, and in here it was only 84, so that's not bad for a full day.
Thank you for watching. We'd love to share our journey with you, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and hit the like button.